Hola, clase. Mr. Cappy here. Just want to show you how to take care of this PRO 3B activity brochure. So you're creating a brochure for a summer camp or a school showing all the activities that you guys have available. In class, we started by going over all of the words in the front and writing down what they meant in Spanish. These are all vocab words from our unit, either from activities vocab or from the verb vocab. So if you're looking in the packet, you can find all these in the activities vocab or in the verb vocab on the very last page of the packet. So once we've done that, we're going to use those to fill in the sentences on the back of this sheet. So the first thing we want to do is we want to pick out some activities and place them here. So my first activity I'm going to pick out is I'm going to pick out to swim. Right? Nadar here is to swim. So what I want to do is I want to take that one, and now for the first slide that I'm doing, slide number 2, I'm going to change it so that it's in the yo form to say I do it. So my first slide is going to say I swim. Notice I took off the AR and put on an O. That's conjugating it for nado. All right, I'll also show you how to do a nosotros one. So for instance, I'm looking at the choices up here and I see that bailar means to dance. So I'm going to use that one. I'm going to take the verb bailar, and for my nosotros sentence, I'm going to use that one. So for my first nosotros sentence, I'm going to use bailar. And to make it for nosotros, for we, I'm going to take off the AR and put on AMOS. That's our nosotros ending. Now that means we dance. So once I've filled in my 6 sentences here, I can make my slides. My first slide is going to be a title slide. On the title slide, I'm going to put a name of my school, Cappy School for the Gifted, and I'll write down anything else I want to, including a big picture of the school or of something that represents the school. Make it look like a real brochure. We don't want your name on here anywhere unless your name is in the name of the school like mine was. But it shouldn't say "by" on your name or anything like that. It should look like a real brochure. Now on to what I did. So my first sentence for slide number 2 is yo nado. So I'm going to go to slide number 2, and on slide number 2 and 3 and 4, I'm going to do the different verbs. You notice I have a big picture of a student swimming. I want somebody who could be at my school or my after school program in this picture. Don't show me a picture of an adult Olympic swimmer. They don't go to your school. Pick one that looks like a kid from your school and put your sentence, yo nado. Make sure it's easy to read, move it around. If it's a picture like swimming, put it in the water where I can read it easily. Don't put it over the top of the girl so I can't see it. Make it so that I can read it. Once you've finished the 3 yo ones, you'll do the nosotros ones. I'll show you how to do one of those now. So I did nosotros bailamos. So I'm going to go to my project, and on my slide number 5, I'm going to write nosotros bailamos, and I'll find a picture of multiple people of this age dancing. Notice that it's all designed to be people of the same age that would be at a high school, middle school, whatever kind of school you're doing, or whatever kind of after school program you're doing. Make it match. All right, by the time you're done, you will have 7 slides. Slides 2 through 4 will look like this with a yo. Slides 5 through 7 will look like this with different verbs doing nosotros, which will have multiple people doing it. And your title slide should be something cute like this.